Okay, so this is on the pedestrian street, so we're gonna walk down that way. I just found out that we can't go up and down these roads, at least not those roads over there. I think maybe these ones we possibly can. But they basically, it's a pedestrian street for February, for this weekend, and it was also for Chinese New Year. So you can see all the people everywhere. They used to all have to be on the sidewalks over there, and definitely over here, which is all pedestrian street to Sao Paulo ruins. But we're basically gonna go all the way down there. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, let's come on through here. So we're gonna walk through here. Okay. Yeah, it's actually kind of interesting. So once you get on here, you're not allowed to go on these little side streets. So apparently these are blocked off. And actually if you're going up there, it's not a problem because we're at the entrance part. But I tried to come through these other ones down there, and down there I couldn't do it. So, and that's actually the Senado Square area. Post office is down that way. Okay, so we're gonna go down this way. Okay. So we're just gonna go down for maybe, we'll see how far down we go. Yeah, it looks like some people can go down the sidewalk. Some people are sitting here. And then we got some performers as well. Hey, give me 5. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down this street. So it's kind of cool. These little side streets, it looks like the police block them, so you can't just go in and out, which is kind of interesting because I was thinking that they might do this into a permanent one. And if they do, I was thinking it would like bring in a lot of livelihood to these little side streets. But if they don't allow people to go up and down them, then it'll change it. But I don't know exactly why they don't allow them. But last weekend I was here in Chinese New Year as well. And I could go up and down these little side streets. So I don't know. So yeah, it looks like they're letting people go into them. It's actually kind of interesting because now I'm kind of getting familiar with it, and then it loses its mass appeal. I mean, I guess I was originally thinking that if they made it permanent, you could go down the side alleys and it would really bring in a lot of life and business to them. Look at all those crowds down there. But now that I'm here, I can kind of see the repetitiveness. Let me just see. Yeah, these are kind of blocked off. So it looks like you could go one way, but not the other. You want that together, buddy? Give me 5. Yeah. All right, hey, come here. Come here, stay right here. Okay. So yeah, pretty cool. Lights are just starting to come down as well. Lots of people kind of hanging out. I think like the big crowds are down that way. But yeah, now that I've been here a few times, you know, I'm kind of used to like the pattern of it. It's like, okay, this is the giraffe. That's the red and white rabbit for the year of the rabbit. Those are the chairs that people sit at. Oh, the Harley Davidson, that's a typo. They got a Harley Davidson thing. So, okay. Hey, just chill out. Hey, chill. Relax. Okay. I do like this kind of stuff here. Hey, chill, relax a little bit, okay? I'm telling him to relax because he's a lot of times autistic kids, they do a lot of repetitive noises. So he's doing a lot of like ee, but it catches on camera a lot. And then sometimes people ask me like why is that like that? So I'm just like telling him if you let him know that he's doing it, he'll so usually I just kind of try to keep that off camera, so I usually just let it be recorded, but he's doing a lot, so anyways, pretty cool street. Yeah, anyways, actually got some long lines. I think this long line, let's check out what this is all about. This line, there's always popular, this one right here. So it's always like this. So pretty cool. Oh, that's kind of a cool dress. I don't hear the musicians now. But yeah, anyways, I did a lot of filming today, so I don't know what's all going to go on. Originally, I was thinking I was going to film some of these side streets and kind of show like how they could really change a lot economically and how interesting that would be for the whole region and the whole neighborhoods. But now that I see that the way that's set up, it might not actually be allowed like that. It might just be a street that you just go up and down without being able to go into the side streets. That bus right there is in Taipa, and it's kind of a new tourist attraction, so they just kind of got it set up recently. So it's interesting that might actually be later kind of a tourist attraction. It's kind of cool, that mushroom like that. Just trying to capture that mushroom. That's kind of cool, that mushroom right there. I couldn't capture it because there's people there the whole time. I mean, people kept, that guy is plucking it. It's just working, but it's doing a good job too. Yeah, actually a lot of people are in this area where the... That's kind of cool. Let's just kind of watch what they're doing here. So I think they're gonna catch it like that. You wanna be in there, Tyler? Come over there, Tyler. There you go.
Smile.
All right.
Yes.
All right. All right. Thank you. You like that? It's fun, eh? It's a pretty good time. That's one good thing. He's autistic, but he's always having a really good time. So he's actually he smiles a lot, has a good time in his own way, of course. So this side street looks like, oh, they got a police down there too. So yeah, they actually are blocking all of them from So I don't know when I'll get this one up. I filmed a lot today, so this could be dated a little bit. But all of the videos, you can always see the date at the bottom corner. So this will be February 4, 2023. Got clouds up there as well. So we're going to keep on walking down. Okay. So let's see what's going on down here. So they got a van set up. So we're going to try to film like this, and we can basically film all the way down. So we got all our clouds up there, so basically this goes all the way down to, you can see the casino is way down at the bottom. So I think what we're going to do is just kind of walk up a little bit. Pretty cool. Okay. So I guess we'll end this video, so it looks pretty nice little space in here. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.